We doing?
2009 Toyota RAV4.
All right.
I ran here the blinker.
Okay. So you want to?
I like to look at the blinker.
Wow, that's quiet, huh, Claire? I guess the left blinker, left. All right, I'm gonna switch to the right one, okay? All right. We could do the hazards next. There we go. That's a little bit louder, isn't it? All right, you gonna say goodbye?
Goodbye.
Okay.
Glad I can help.